Welcome to episode 5.1 of Concept to Video Content, Trimming Pauses. If you joined us before, we've gone over script writing, lighting, audio, and using a teleprompter. Today, we're getting into the heart of content creation, video editing. A big shout out to our agents at Sellstate Alliance Realty for sparking today's discussion. Now, I know video editing often seems like a daunting task. I've gotten questions like, how can I edit videos if I'm not a pro? Or where do I find the time to learn complex software for editing? Having personally explored various editing tools over the past 15 years, I've definitely felt the weight of this. So Capcut changes the game. It's free, easy to use, and you don't need anything more than your phone. Capcut streamlines editing and impacts features into its app that I once spent hours crafting in Premiere Pro and After Effects. So today, let's jump in and see how Capcut can transform your video projects. Open Capcut and you'll see the home screen. Here you want to tap the plus button at the top. This is where you add videos from your phone's library into your new project. Very first thing I tackle on the editing screen is trimming out pauses. Little tip, when you're recording, give yourself a 2 to 3 second buffer before you start speaking. Not only does this help with editing, but adds a smiling moment at the camera, which is great for thumbnails. To find the trim tool, we head over to the scissor icon located at the bottom left. Clicking this opens up all the editing options. Since we want to remove the pause from the start, we will scroll in the timeline to the point I want to cut. Here, it is about when I lift my hand. So now we will click the split icon at the bottom left. This action splits the clip in two. Now tap on the first section with your finger and hit the delete icon towards the bottom right. Now the pause is gone, and the video will automatically shift to the start. But we're not stopping there. Keeping our audience engaged means removing any other unnecessary pauses in the video. So for a closer look, we zoom in on the timeline. We do this by placing our thumb and pointer finger on the screen and spreading them apart just like zooming in on a photo. Now play the video to pinpoint the next pause and pause the playback at just the right moment. A quick tap on the edit again, then split, then repeat the split again at the end of the part that you want to delete. Now select the segment you're removing and click the delete icon. It will automatically align the remaining clips at no extra step required. So let's pause there. For our upcoming video editing, we'll dive into adding auto captions and then tweaking the style, colors, and fixing errors in the text. Then we'll move on to more advanced editing techniques like removing backgrounds, adding transitions and zooms for visual depth, and applying filters for color correction, and post-processing your audio. So jump in and share your progress, tap into Sellstate Alliance's supportive community for growth, and feel free to drop your questions below. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember, success starts here with Sellstate Alliance Realty.